chop all the vegetables, carrot, onion, and finely dice them. In a large pan or pressure cooker, heat 1 tablespoon of oil on medium-high flame. Add garlic, ginger, green chilli, and chopped onion. Sauté for a few seconds until fragrant. Add any spices of your choice, such as cumin powder or coriander powder, and stir well. Add the chopped vegetables, black pepper powder, and salt. Stir to combine. Pour in water, 1.5 to 2 liters, and mix well. In a pressure cooker, close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 whistles on medium flame. In a pan, cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Once cooked, open the lid and stir. Your simple, healthy mixed veg soup is ready to serve. Enjoy!